Hello everybody, I am Daedran with ePrime. Port Royal Seafood Festival returns after a 2-year hiatus. Speaking after the launch held at the new venue, the Port Royal Cruise Port, Jenny, the event's organizer, showed gratitude for the opportunity for the event's return.
And so many persons not here today. I don't care how you celebrate life, even in its minutest moment. For God's sake, be grateful that we are here for another year, 17 years.
The Tropical Rhythms Port Royal Seafood Festival launch event was entertaining and had lots of giveaways, along with a saxophonist, Daniel John Jackson, that kept the night with his beautiful performances. The event is scheduled for this Sunday at the Port Royal Cruise Port and will feature day events and a stage show featuring General Degree, Lali, Jermaine Edwards, Agent Sasko, and Lil Culture under the theme Bring the Family and Come Have a Wonderful Experience. Last weekend, the Jamaica Youth Chorale and the University Singers had their attendees in awe after their performance at the concert Let There Be Music held at University of the West Indies, UWI Chapel Mona campus. The sold-out event was aimed at raising $2 million to kickstart renovations for UWI Chapel. The building of the University Chapel began in April of 1956. The cornerstone was laid on June 5 in 1956 by then-Governor of Jamaica, Sir Hugh McIntosh Foote, at the first service, which was held on the last Sunday of Trinity Term 1959 on June 21 of that year. The chapel was dedicated on February 14, 1960, during the service of commemoration marking the installation of Princess Alice as Chancellor. There are plans to host similar events to help with the renovations. Now, on the international scene, American Idol fans are mourning the death of season 19 runner-up Winnie Spence after he was involved in a car crash last evening. The 23-year-old contestant had been in Nashville, Tennessee when the tragic crash occurred. Spence was taken to hospital but succumbed to injuries he sustained in the accident earlier today. That's it for ePrime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.